Hey guys! Hey guys, it's Premier back at it again on Monkey's Monday with another video. So, today I am so happy. I just got, oh my god, I have to stand up. Look at my tablets. I just got a slime package. It's my first one. I'm super excited, super happy. Here it is. It's from, sorry about the background noise. Never mind. It's from OMG underscore, I'll be right back. OMG underscore slimes O. So it's from there. I'm not going to show you the rest of the package because it has my address and stuff, but it's just there. So, let's get into the video. So, there's a note. It says, "Dear Swirly Slimes," that is my Instagram. My slime Instagram, guys, you should go follow it. So let me show you. I'll show you her Instagram and my Instagram. This is my Instagram, guys, my slime Instagram. I will put it in the description below as well. But it's just swirly._.slimes with a Z. And I will put hers in the description too. This is hers, guys. It's OMG underscore slimes O. 0. So, I'll put hers in the description too. And those are on Instagram. So, "Dear swirly._.slimes, thank you for agreeing to review my slime. I really hope you like them, and I can't wait to see your review. I've included some liquid starch in case the slime is sticky. Add a little. Thank you for support. Love, OMG Slimes." And it just looks like this. Okay, so she gave me extra. So I got this whole sticker sheet. That's cool. Got some cupcakes and stuff on there. I got another extra pencil. Easter pencil. Easter is coming up, guys. And more extras. Let's see what's in here. So, juicy fruit gum. I'm going to open it. Ooh. Duman na dati. Sorry about lighting, guys. So, gum. And 2 Easter erasers. Okay. That was a lot of extras. Here's the liquid starch. Liquid starch. And here's the slimes, guys. Okay. Empty. I really like that tape. Mermaid slime. I will also be reviewing this on my slime account too, so make sure to go follow me and her. And I really think you should go follow us because she posts a lot of cool stuff, I post a lot of cool stuff, and I'm trying to reach my goal, 100 followers, so make sure to follow my Instagram too. So this is it. Really pretty. It's not that sticky. I love this color. I think it's jiggly slime. Okay, I'm gonna show you in like Instagram form. So I hope you guys saw that. It's really hard to do with my camera because my camera's facing this way and I have to like hold it, like it's hard. So I couldn't see what you guys saw, so I'm really sorry about the background noise. My parents are watching like a comedy thing, so they're laughing a lot. Okay. So that was Mermaid Jiggly Slime. I really liked it. Really pretty. Now, Strawberry Ice Slime. Ooh, that looks so cool. It's crunchy slime, guys. It's crunchy slime. I love that noise. The beads do fall out a little bit, but, I mean, yeah, they fall out a lot. So the beads fall out a lot, but I still really like it. I love the crunch, listen. They keep falling down. Just by playing with it a little bit, that much has already fallen out. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing with this. Where did all the beads go? Okay, so on the crunchy slime, the beads fall out a lot. But it doesn't lack crunch. So, on the stickers, they're glittery. There's like pastries, cupcakes, ice cream sandwiches, ice cream, lollipops, all that stuff. There's letters, and they're really shiny. There's some that say, good job, nice job, cookie, good idea. And then special, yeah. That's pretty much it. So that's the stickers. And that was it, guys. All done. So I really think you should go follow her, because she has a really cool and fun account. Please go follow me. And follow my main. It's at Premiere. I'll put it in the description too. And like, the review is, I think, because a lot of people, they somehow get these beads not to fall out. I have no idea how to do that, so I'm not saying I know how to do that, but that's the only thing, is that try to keep those in. And besides that, like, her slime's, like, good, so, and I really like all the extras, and the note, like, so good. So, thank you, OMG Slimes, for that package. I loved it. And guys, I think you should go order from her. And I also sell slimes too, so go on my Instagram, DM me. Yes, go buy some slimes. Bye. Also, guys, go give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And comment down below on any other video ideas, because I'm running out. So, bye guys, for real this time.